Hey guys, it's Charlene from the Cheerful Chameleon here, and today we are going to work on crocheting in the round, and we're going to go over a few simple starting techniques to get you started with making your amigurumi. Alright guys, the first one we're going to go ahead and do is your Old Faithful magic ring. To make your magic ring, you're just going to hold your yarn between your thumb and your pointer finger. You're going to bring it around the back and up and over, and just kind of latch it right there so that you have a hold on it. You're going to go ahead and put your hook underneath your yarn, bring it through, twist it as you do that so that it causes a little twist here. Go ahead and yarn over, pull through, and create a chain. Now I usually hold it like this until I make a couple stitches. So to make a couple stitches, you're going to go ahead and insert your yarn under both of them, pull up a loop, crochet one, and at this point I usually twist my thumb so that it is holding underneath these here, the actual stitch you just made. And then while I'm holding that still, I'm going to put my hook under my yarn again. I'm going to grab another loop up from that yarn below. I'm going to pull it through, I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to pull through. And now I have 2 stitches holding the magic ring closed. And at this point I can usually start moving my finger away, and we're going to go ahead and we are going to just crochet a couple more single crochet into that magic ring. We got 5 and we have 6. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull this closed, and we have our magic ring start. But if you cannot get the magic ring, do not be disheartened. You can still absolutely make some amigurumi. I'm going to show you 2 other ways you can start it right now. So the first one is a very simple. You're going to go ahead and make a slip knot, just as if you were going to crochet in the rows. Pull it tight. Go ahead and make 2 stitches. Now you're going to go ahead and work into the first chain that you made. We're going to work underneath the back bump of the chain, and we're going to go ahead and place 6 single crochet right into this stitch right here, and we're just going to rotate around as we are doing it. 4, 5, and 6. And now you have your 6 stitches worked into a round shape, and what you would do then is you would just start your row 2 right here in this stitch here. Now as you can see, it's not really tight. You do have a little bit of a gap in there. All you would do is, as you start to get a couple more rounds build up, you would just take your yarn needle and you would just sew in there and seam it up a little bit better so that it is not so open and that stuffing will not come through. Now there's one more way that you see sometimes started, especially in things that have a larger starting than 6. And again, you're going to go ahead and make a slip knot. This time, however, you're going to go ahead and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now you're going to go ahead and you're going to go back into the first stitch you made, and you're going to slip stitch to close. Now what this does is this creates a loop right here in the center, and you're going to be working your 6 stitches into this loop. So now you're going to go ahead and insert into the center, yarn over, pull up, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to make your starting stitches, and you're going to be working into the center section. 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now once again you would just go ahead and continue on with these stitches as you continue your rows. And once again, you're going to find this does have a bigger hole in the center, but you just take your tail after you get how you want it, and just go ahead and pull it tight a little bit, and then just weave it off the rest of the way. So as you can see, there are many different ways to start amigurumi in the round. You do not have to do the magic ring. However, learning the magic ring is very, very handy to do in your knowledge, but don't be disheartened if you cannot get it. You are still able to carry on with making many, many cute little critters. I do hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please like, comment, and share below, and I hope to see you next time.